What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Aeryn OS, one of the most interesting independent Linux distributions out there right now, and they just dropped a brand new ISO snapshot, Aeryn OS 2026.02. This release packs in GNOME 49.4, KDE Plasma 6.6, and Cosmic 1.0.8. So there is genuinely something for everyone here. Let's break it all down. For those who are new to it, Aeryn OS is an independent Linux distro. It's not based on Ubuntu, it's not based on Arch. It's doing its own thing, which I always find exciting to cover. Now, one important caveat upfront. Aeryn OS is still considered alpha quality, so if you're thinking about installing it, great, go for it. But please don't put it on your work machine or anywhere mission critical. This is still very much a project in active development. With that said, let's get into what's new. Under the hood, AerynOS 2026.02 is running on the Linux 6.18.15 LTS kernel. That's the long-term support branch, which is a solid, stable choice for a distro that's still finding its footing. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The desktop environment options. The default desktop on the live ISO is GNOME 49.4, the latest release of the GNOME desktop. If you've been following GNOME's development, you know 49 brought some really refined changes to the overall experience, and 49.4 polishes that up even further. Let's talk about the software stack because there are some solid updates across the board. Firefox 148, the latest and greatest web browser. Mesa 26.0.1, keeping graphics drivers fresh. PipeWire 1.6. For all your audio and multimedia needs. QEMU 10.2.1. Virtualization is well covered here. Mozilla Thunderbird 148. Email client in sync with Firefox. It's a well-rounded, up-to-date package selection. Here's a feature I think is actually really thoughtful. AerynOS 2026.02 introduces a new console-only installation option. Here's the difference between the two non-GUI install options. The existing headless install is designed for server-type scenarios. Think Ethernet connectivity, no desktop, no frills. The new console-only option gives you all the necessary packages to ensure working Wi-Fi connectivity out of the box, without a graphical environment. That's a meaningful distinction, especially for people setting up a minimal system on a laptop or machine that relies on wireless networking. If you want to try AerynOS 2026.02, head over to the official AerynOS website and grab the ISO from there. There's also a full release announcement page with all the details linked in the description below. Just remember alpha quality, test it, play with it, report bugs if you find them. That's how open source projects like this get better. And that's AerynOS 2026.023 desktop environments, a fresh kernel, solid package updates, and a new install option. All from an independent Linux project that keeps quietly improving. I think AerynOS is one to watch. It's ambitious, it's different, and the team clearly has a good handle on packaging modern desktop stacks quickly. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you want more Linux news and coverage like this, make sure you're subscribed. I cover new releases regularly. Drop a comment below. Are you an AerynOS user? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.